everyone, my name is Megan Chomsey and I'm a freshman at the University of Illinois majoring in chemical engineering. I'm also one of the chairs for our Strong Women, Strong Girls event. So today we'll be making eggshell geodes. A geode is a rock with a hole in the middle of it that is lined with crystals. Instead of using rocks, we'll be using eggshells and we'll be forming crystals inside of them. So we'll need a few things in order to do it. So first, you'll need some eggshells. So here I have 6 eggs. I have cracked them from the very top and I've scraped out the insides. I rinsed them with hot water so that the membranes would fall out, so now I have some nice, clean, dry eggshells that are ready for today. You'll also need some soluble solids. So a soluble solid is something that will dissolve in water. So for mine, I have some sugar and I have some salt. Now you might think of some other solids that might dissolve in water, and those will probably work too. Some other examples are baking soda and cream of tartar powder. We'll also need some water. So we have this water, and we'll need to boil it in a saucepan, and you might need an adult to help you with that. And then also we will need a container that can handle some heat, a measuring cup, some spoons, and some food coloring. So my container is a disposable coffee cup, but you could use a regular coffee mug too. So to start out, we're going to need to pour our water into our saucepan, and we're going to bring it to a boil on the stove. And so while that's getting ready to boil, we're going to start measuring out some of our solids. So I had 1 cup of water, and you're going to want to use about half as much solid as you did water. So I'm going to use half of a cup of soluble solid in my water. So I have some sugar and I have some salt. I'm just going to pour some of the salt into the measuring cup and I'll spoon some sugar in. The amounts of each don't really matter, it's just the total amount. Alright, so now we have a half of a cup of soluble solid that we can use when our water starts boiling. Now that my water is boiling, I'm going to turn off the stove. I'm going to take the water. I'm going to pour it into the container. So now we have the hot water in our heat-proof container, and so now I can start putting in some of the soluble solids from my measuring cup. So what we're trying to do here is make a supersaturated solution. So you'll know when you've got this when the solid stops dissolving, and that's because when you have a supersaturated solution, there is no more space in the water for the solid to keep dissolving. So that's what we're trying to get here so that we can have our crystals. So I'm going to take this 1 spoon and spoon some of it in. And then I'm going to take my other spoon and I'm going to mix it up to see if it is continuing to dissolve. Alright, so far it is. It's still clear. I can still see the bottom. So I'm going to add some more. And it's okay if you have to add more than what's in this measuring cup. This is just a starting out point to see how much more you need to add. Okay, and now my solution is no longer dissolving any of the solute that I'm putting in, so that means that I've gotten to the supersaturated solution. So now's the fun part. I'm going to add some food coloring. I have yellow, and that's nice because it's a spring color. I just thought it was festive, but you can use whatever color you want. Whatever your favorite color is, it'll be good to put in here. I'm just going to add a few drops, and I'm going to mix that in. now that made that really nice, pretty, orangish yellow type of solution. So now that we have that, I'm just going to pour it into the eggshells. And so with this step, you want to be careful because you know this is very hot water. So I think I'm going to pour it back into my measuring cup so that I can pour it without spilling. And now you can see how pretty this is. Alright, so now I'm going to pour it into the eggshells. I'm going to pour a good amount into each so I can just see it at the bottom. It's like halfway full for each one so far, and then if I have extra I'll go back. So now I'm just topping them off so that I've got completely full eggshells. Alright, and so now they're full. I'll show you what they look like. You can see they're nice and covered and full. So now I'm just going to put them off to the side and they're going to dry for a little while. I'm going to let the water evaporate so that when the water evaporates, it's just the water leaving. So now the crystals that we put in here are going to stay and solidify, and then we'll have nice geodes to look at.